Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and in today's video I wanted to answer this question that I got. Someone had asked, well, when do you lose money when you are purchasing stocks, when you're investing in stocks? So I wanted to answer that question, and before I dive in, make sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Don't forget to like and share this video, and comment below freedom if you are ready for financial freedom right now. And if you're serious about becoming financially free, click the link below this video in the description, because I share exactly how I have been able to make my money work for me in the simplest way possible and still get really good returns, still make a lot of money from my money. Okay, so let's dive in and let me answer this question. How do you lose, or when do you lose money when you're investing in stocks? And this is such a great question. Because a lot of people don't understand exactly how to invest in the stock market. So this is just going to be a really basic answer to the question. So when you are purchasing stocks or you're investing in stocks, you'll set up your account. It's called a brokerage account. And essentially it's just an online account where you can purchase stocks. And once you have that set up, you're going to choose which stocks you actually want to invest in, which ones you actually want to purchase. And you can purchase one share of a stock, or you can purchase multiple shares of a stock. It's up to you. Some people think that you have to do more than one share, but you can just do one share of one stock if you want to, or you can do 10 shares or 100 shares or how many ever you want to. And once you purchase that stock, you now have that stock in your brokerage account. So you actually own the stock, you own a piece of that company, whatever company you decided to invest in. And over time, the price of that stock is going to go up and down. And as long as you keep that stock in your account, as long as you don't sell that stock, then you are not losing any money, because it's still in your account and it will continue, like I said, to go up and down over time. And it doesn't matter if it drops down, you're not going to pay any fee for that. You don't have to pay that amount to the company or anything like that. So you just purchase your stock at a certain price, whatever the price is. When you purchase your stock. So for example, let's say you're purchasing Amazon, and let's say it's going for $100 a share. It's a lot more expensive than that, but this is just an example. So you purchase one share of Amazon at $100, and you put that in your account, and you've linked your checking account to your brokerage account. So that $100 came out of your checking account, is in your brokerage account, and then you decide, okay, I want one share of Amazon for $100. And so you place your order in your brokerage account for that $100. And now you own one share of Amazon with the $100 that you purchased the Amazon stock with. So you now have that share of $100. And over time, Amazon will continue to go up, and let's say it goes up to 200. Nothing happens with your stock. You just leave it in your account, and you can just let it ride over time, over the long term. And even if Amazon drops down to $50, nothing happens. So you just leave your stock in your brokerage account until you're ready to cash it out. And if you want to, let's say, cash it out in a couple of years, and it's now at $200, and you decide, okay, I've doubled my money, I now want to cash out the stock. So all you do is log into your brokerage account, and you select that one Amazon stock, and you click on sell, and you sell that stock for $200, and now you have the $200 cash in your brokerage account, which you can now transfer over to your checking account. So you've essentially made $100. And if you decide to keep it in there maybe for 1 year, and the price drops from $100 to $50, and you decide, well, I just really want my $50, I'm going to cash out. And so you just log into your brokerage account like you did before, and you would select that one share of Amazon, and you would cash it out, and you would get $50 for that stock. And then you can transfer that $50 into your checking account. And so it doesn't matter what's happening to the stock while it's in your brokerage account. You still own that share of stock, that one stock of Amazon, that one share of Amazon, and you can leave it in your account for as long as you want to. It doesn't matter. So you can keep it in there for 1 year, you can keep it in there for 10 years, however long you want to, until you're ready to cash it out. And nothing is happening with that stock until you actually cash it out. So if you cash it out at a loss at that $50 when the original price was $100, then you'll actually lose $50, right? Because you can only cash it out for what the price is at that current moment when you're cashing it out. And if you decide to cash it out when it's at that $200, then you've actually made a profit of $100. And then that's how it works. So once you purchase the stock, it's in your account and it just sits there. You're not paying any fees or anything like that with your stock. And then when you cash it out, how much ever the price is, whether it's higher or lower, that's the difference that you'll either make or you'll lose once you cash it out. So hopefully that kind of just clears up how it works when you purchase stocks, when you invest in stocks. And there's a few more details, like if you cash out before a year of owning your stock, then you're most likely going to pay more in taxes. There's a higher tax that's put on the stock when you've held it for less than a year. So you do want to keep that in mind. And there could be a commission fee, which is just a one-time dollar fee for purchasing or for selling a stock. And, there's little things like that. But essentially, the basic overview of investing in a stock is just what I said. So once you purchase that stock, you have that stock, and then when you decide to sell it, you can either have a loss if the price is lower than what you bought it at, or you'll have a gain if the price is higher than what you bought it at. So hopefully that clears up any confusion around buying stocks. And if you guys found this video helpful, please like it and share it with someone who needs this information as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you guys do want help investing your money, click the link below this description, and I show you exactly how I've been able to invest my money and be successful with investing. And I will see you guys in the next video. All right, thanks.